Alright guys, so we have another unboxing video here yet again, and this time I'm going to be unboxing some silver from apmex, but this time is a little bit more money. I think this is about close to $300 to $400. I kind of forgot how much I paid for it, but around that price range. All right, let's see what I got from apmex today. Let's open it up, and to be honest with you guys, I actually pre-opened it because you guys know how the last video went. It wasn't too good when I was trying to unbox it. So since I got it pre-opened, they gave me this little black thingy thing to actually protect it, I guess. Let's take this out of here. So yes, I did get some more constitutional dimes, and at the same time I did went for the nickels again. Now, let me get this out and then I'll continue what I had to say. So now a lot of people was asking me, why am I buying some nickels? So this is everything I got right here. And like I said before, a lot of people was asking me, why am I buying nickels for? Like, what purpose do I see in the nickels, especially war nickels? Like, they don't have as much silver as if I were to buy some dimes like I have right here. And to be honest with you, I buy these. If I find something in there I like, I'll take it. But you guys know, well, some of you guys know, I like to have I pretty much put on like a little game show. And then these are mostly for giveaways, and it helps out the channel. For those who supports the channel, it helps out tremendously. So that's why I buy these. It's not for me to say, hey, this is I'm stacking them. This is not for me to say, hey, I'm stacking them. The reason I bought so much is because, hey, I see the price are going up. So I'm like, hey, you know what? I have the money anyways. Let me just go ahead and do that and buy it right now before the prices go crazy high. All right. Now, it's not like I'm saying there's something wrong with war nickels and I'll never stack them. I have a whole bunch of them in my stack as well, all right? Because I have so much dimes and some ounce here that I'm pretty practically just giving away. It just goes for the channel. For those who support the channel, I have these to give them, all right? So let's see. Outside of that, I don't even remember me actually putting this into the card. I have no idea. I think it's damaged, so I bought it cull, and they gave me this, so looks pretty nice. The only thing that's wrong with it, if you're actually looking at it, is just the design. They colored it in. Let's see, check this out. If we take a good look at it, we probably see some milk spots right there. If you really look at it, this is 1999. Right there, practically 20 years right now. See, looks real cool. I mean, I'm not seeing any damage like the last one I got, but it's cool. I like it. I mean, not gonna lie, I like it. Hey, silver is silver, right? Then we have this other one that I got that's damaged as well. Let's see what did we get here. To be honest with you, I don't see it. I don't see no milk spots. Let me see. It's not as in great condition as a BU would be, but at the same time, I don't see that much wrong with it. It looks okay to me. All right. So these two I'm definitely adding to my stack. These two I'm definitely adding into my stack. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera closer right here. That's my P.O. box as well, if anybody can read it. So I'm not putting no dangerous information out there or letting anything slip. That's just my P.O. box. But anyways, I'm gonna do a time lapse real quick and show you guys me taking this off. Let's So here we go. We have a whole bunch of war nickels. We have some mercury dimes, and we also have some regular dimes, Roosevelt dimes, down in the bottom since I opened that up first. Right there, real nice, alongside with this. A great picture right there, right? That's a great image right there. Hey, just one thing is missing. This one thing is missing. Let me see. Do I have it? Give me one moment. Just one thing is missing. All right. There you go. There you go. Boom, I got it. Looks real nice. I love it. Like I said, I'm not buying these for me to stack. I'm buying them because they help my channel out. And there's nothing wrong with these. I don't see nothing wrong with these, of course. I'm not seeing nothing. If it wasn't, I wouldn't have as much as I do right now that you see here if it wasn't for me, you know, helping out the channel, if it wasn't for the content itself helping out the channel. But if it wasn't for that, I'll probably have, you know, if I find them, I'll keep them. You know, if I can find them at a great deal, I'll keep them. I'll buy them, right? And I do have some that I found on some amazing deals. I'm not keeping these, and I'm just saying that because people down in the comments, last time I showed that, hey, I bought these, it was crazy. Now, to be honest with you, a lot of people don't like this because it's painted, and that's why apmex labeled this is called or damage. But to be honest with you, I kind of like it. I mean, is it not silver anymore? Yeah, I understand it may not hold this value. Yeah, I understand that, but it's still silver. It's still a coin at the end of the day. All right, that's just my thoughts on that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and don't forget to always work and grind.